Hello everyone. Today we are going to find LCM of two numbers. Okay, so let's take a two number from user. A variable is there for first number. So for second number we have variable b. Now after this we are using if statement to get the maximum number between these two number. Okay, so if a is greater than b, then the maximum, or you can say the greater number, is a, else maximum or greater number is b. So we here get the greater number of these two number because LCM can only be greater than or equal to the largest number. Okay, so that's why we have done this one. Now after this we will make an infinite loop to calculate the LCM. Okay, so true, it will be an infinite loop. So why infinite loop? Because we want to go from this greater number and beyond. Okay, so let's write here if maximum modulo a equals to 0 and maximum modulo b equals to 0. So again here we are using if statement. Now here we are checking both numbers perfectly divide our number or not. Okay, and if it is, then we store the number as LCM. So directly we will write print LCM of two number equals to the result. Okay, the LCM one. So here dot format the two number first and then LCM will be maximum. Okay, now if we get the number, if the LCM is find out, then this loop will break. Okay, otherwise the maximum will be increased by 1. Okay, now let's see the result. Enter first number, let's say 50 and 25. Okay, so now you can see the LCM is 50. Now let me tell you that it is the one method to calculate the LCM, but it is quite slow. So in the next video I will show you the fastest way to calculate the LCM. Okay, so until then check out our channel Flowing Data. Thank you.